When your unit has been unpacked, simply open the top and turn on the rear power. This will run the self-test initialization.
Wait, let me get a close-up. How it looks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
The unit is now in computer mode, so to run the self-test, simply press start. During the self-check, each section will show pass. If it does not show pass, there is something wrong with the unit. Okay, everything passed. Now that the self-test has passed, if you want to use the unit as a standalone, that's fine. If you would like to use it with computer control, we will now connect it to the RS-232. Connect the RS-232 cable. Make sure the unit is adjusted to the correct voltage. Since we're in the United States, it's 115. This is the on switch for the unit. On this machine, we're going to select number 5, Utilities. Then again, number 5 for control mode. Notice when I hit that it went to PC, and now we'll hit return. To set the Comport in Windows XP, click Start, go to My Computer, right click, select Properties, Hardware, Device Manager. You'll see a tab labeled Ports. Double click and you can see that the communication port is labeled COM1. So when initializing this software, make sure that your COM port matches the COM port for the computer. Once you've made the connection, the machine will then run a self-test that is driven by the computer. In this initialization test, it will show you that each section is okay. If it doesn't show okay, there's something wrong with the unit. Now the Spectro is under control by the PC. You can use the PC to run all your tests. Now that the machine has given the message online working, you know that the PC is communicating with the unit. If there's a W lamp failure, there could be two possible causes. One is the lamp is out or misadjusted, or the cell changer has blocked the path of the light to the sensor. First, we'll look at seeing if the lamp is operational. To check the lamp, simply press on the plastic and lift. To test if the light is on the slit, simply place a piece of paper in front of the slit to see. If either lamp is out, the lamp will need to be replaced. To test if there's any reason why the light is not going to the sensor, go to number 1, photometric measure. To change the wavelength, press go, enter 546, and hit enter. The unit has now changed to 546 nanometers. Now we will test to see that the light is passing through to the sensor. Take a piece of white paper and place it down in front of where the light enters the sensor. In order to see the light, the room should be dark. Place the paper in front of the sensor and you will see a small green dot. That shows you that the sample holder is not blocking the light. If you do not see the light on the paper, the light is either being blocked by the sample holder or the light is not on the slit. You can take the paper and also hold it in front of the sample holder to see that the light is exiting through the output. If you do not see the light exiting here, then you will have to adjust the mirror. In order to adjust the mirror, the whole cover will have to be removed. These adjustment screws are only accessible when the cover is off. Remove the screws that are holding the cover on. There are 2 in the rear. And there's 1 screw in the front. With the machine open, again, set the wavelength to 546. Check to see that the light is on the slit. If it is not, you may need to adjust the mirror. With an Allen key, loosen the 2 screws to the steerable mirror. We're going to remove this shield to make it easier to view. Now with the screws removed, I will remove this cover. These 2 screws are what will loosen and allow you to adjust the mirror. With the screws loosened, place paper over the slit, adjust the mirror so the light is on the slit, and then tighten the screws. With the mirror adjusted, replace the cover and all the screws. With everything reassembled, reinitialize the machine. This will verify that everything is working correctly. Cool. Alright. This concludes this part of setting up the machine and testing for light on this. I don't know.